In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Threads profile public. Okay, let's start off by hopping into the Threads application, and when you open the app, you'll be on your main page. But what you want to do is go to your profile. So you'll see a button at the bottom right hand corner. That's your profile icon. So tap on that to go to your profile. And then once you're on your profile, you can see two lines at the top right hand corner. You want to tap on those two lines, and then you want to tap on the third option, which is the privacy option. So tap on privacy, and right there at the top you see it says private profile, and for me I actually have that enabled, so my profile is in fact private. But if I want to make my profile public, you just have to toggle that to the left, just like that. It says switch to public account. Anyone on or off Threads can see and interact with your content. So tap on OK, and now my profile is in fact public. So now you can go back and you can just go and enjoy the Threads application with a public profile. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.